One problem that we're seeing with artificial intelligence is that they're being designed to tell you what you want to hear, but not necessarily what you need to know. Think about the ways that people are using AIs today. So you ask an AI if you have a question about what to do with a particular problem that you're trying to solve, whether it be a math problem, a homework problem, or what have you, or maybe you're trying to complete some task like scheduling a meeting. And so right now what we do is we ask people, the AI gave you some feedback, did you like this or not? What we should really be doing is, did you complete the task that you're trying to do in a correct way? In 2022, I wouldn't have recommended using a chatbot for anything with any serious implications, but I think we've seen huge advances in the last 2 years. It's really exciting and beyond the capabilities of many humans. That being said, there are still problems. Chatbots are really good when they see examples that look like stuff that they've seen before, but when you have someone who doesn't necessarily understand what they're asking, or they're not asking a question in the way that the chatbot expects it, you can get really unpredictable results. And one of the problems is that not only do they not know when they're wrong, they don't know when they're right. And usually if you ask them about their confidence, they're very confident no matter what. And so if you're putting a chatbot in a really high-stakes application, like in a health environment, you need to have human supervision even today. One of the problems that we're seeing is that they can't really synthesize information. And if you were to ask, is the sound that you're hearing a Harley Davidson? They can recognize, hey, this is a Harley Davidson, but when you ask it to make that additional step, how many wheels does it have? It's unable to do that. And so humans can do this really easily, computers still struggle. That remains a big problem. We're hoping to look at creating data sets that particularly challenge models' ability to do these reasoning across modalities, and for the computer to provide the correct information to the human that is going to be most valuable to them. And what we're working towards is trying to build a world where we optimize humans and computers working together rather than trying to replace humans with AI.